You're gonna love the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a seriously capable Wagoneer that offers impressive towing capability, an upscale, spacious cabin loaded with desirable passenger amenities, advanced safety features, and sleek, modern design. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, backup camera, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated rear seat. Don't miss the chance to make family memories in this adventure-ready Wagoneer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.